How to change your name in Minecraft Bedrock Mobile. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name or even your gamer tag on Minecraft Bedrock. Now what you will see on the PC version or the Mac or even your mobile device are actually the same. The process are going to be the same. So once you're on your dashboard, all you have to do is to go into settings, and then from settings you should be able to see options, and then below game you should be able to see the field name. Right there, you should be able to change the specific name that you want to be shown on the game. Now, what you can do on the other hand is to go back all the way to the settings, and then right there, you should be able to see profile under general, and then right there, you should see the current gamer tag or your in-game name on Minecraft Bedrock Mobile. Have it saved, and you're done. And that's it. That's how you change your name in Minecraft Bedrock Mobile.